So we're here on Sunday, the final day of our Detail Czar Certified Detail Licensee Training Program. We have Jacob Knight. Jacob is a local guy, and Jacob has been coming and actually working at the shop for us after school and on the weekends. And we decided to get him certified. We definitely see a lot of potential with him. So, what did you think of the hands-on training the last couple days?
The hands-on training was really good. I like the one-on-one attention you get with the smaller classes. The paint correction was you go in depth with it. You learn a lot with the paint correction and the polishing, the ceramic coating. I learned a lot this weekend.
So you take auto body at your high school.
Yeah, I'm in auto body tech right now.
So you like working on cars, obviously. You
Yeah,
love cars.
yeah.
What's your end goal with cars, with your auto body, with
Auto
detailing?
body. I really just want to expand my knowledge with auto detailing, auto body. Maybe open up my own mobile detail business one day.
Sure.
And
You're thinking of also getting into welding too.
yeah, welding and fabrication. So this will also help me be more familiar with cars and auto detailing in general.
So basically, you felt that this is actually going to increase your skill set and give you something to look forward to after you graduate.
Absolutely.
Yeah, and you've been doing great here, and we're very thrilled to have you on board.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot. Congratulations.
Thank you.